You will never be on your deathbed and regret not spending more time scrolling on social media. God wants you to stop consuming and start creating. It's time for you to stop being just in the audience because your audience is waiting. So yes, it's a very specific message for a specific group of people. So if this doesn't resonate, click away. I got a YouTube comment the other day and I thought, this is probably a thought that you have as well, because I had it in my head for so long and it's blocking so many people from stepping into their power and starting to create. This comment was on my YouTube video, Best Jobs for Starseeds. And this person was saying, well, yeah, this job, being a content creator, being an online coach sounds great, but it's highly competitive. And I wanted to bring this up because I don't want you to think even for a second that there's no room in this world for your voice. Because it's the complete opposite. If you imagine a radio, you are a different frequency than another person. So you never really have competition. You have soul contracts with the people you're about to help. And if you want less of a woo-woo reason why you need to start create, YouTube has more viewers than Netflix, Hulu, and Disney Plus all combined. People are no longer watching traditional TV. They're coming online to get help. And this is where you can show up for people and help them with your unique gifts, because you have such beautiful gifts. You have so much wisdom to share with the world. And no, you don't need a PhD. So many spiritual people, including myself, have imposter syndrome. So we feel like we need to get certification after certification, course after course, until you feel ready to post, put yourself out there. But what you have to remember is you only need to be one step ahead of the person that you're helping. For example, if you want to start a cooking channel, you don't need to be a professional Michelin star chef. It's enough that you've made some really delicious recipes that you want to share with the world. I wanted to start a business, a YouTube channel, share my wisdom with the world, but I waited 7 years. I posted a YouTube video and then I deleted it because I thought the market is too saturated. There are too many blogs, too many YouTube channels. How am I to compete in this? But eventually I just did it. I took messy action and I did it. And eventually people started to listen to what I had to say. And it's the best decision I made in my life. And 2 of my friends asked me like 4 years ago how to do it because they also wanted to start their YouTube channels. And now this year they finally started it. And they said, Julia, I wish I had just started those years ago when I first asked you. So start now, because in 2 years' time, you will regret that you didn't do it 2 years ago. Write in the comments, I am destined to change lives. I know that's scary, but that's where you gotta write it, because you are. Stop being shy, it's time to get on the stage. And if you're not sure exactly what your purpose is and you feel overwhelmed on where to start when it comes to becoming a content creator, then book a free business clarity session, link in the description. You are more capable than you think, so stop waiting, step into your greatness now. And a little action item for you now is write down 3 things that you have overcome. So a challenge, for example, a health problem, a spiritual problem, or something, a relationship, maybe a breakup that was difficult. These are all clues to your purpose and what you can help other people with. And if you're struggling with this exercise, another way to find this out, what your purpose is to think about, what do people come to you for advice? Is it your baby advice because you're a great mom? Is it your recipes because you make such delicious pasta? And to fully implement this, next up, watch my YouTube videos on the best spiritual business models. It's down below. Love you and see you in the next episode.